Hello guys, welcome to this new episode. So you're looking to invest in a meme coin, eh? Well, strap in folks, because we're about to take a ride through the wild, unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies based on internet memes. Because let's face it, who needs boring, stable investments when you can put your money into something totally absurd and potentially worthless? But seriously, before you dive headfirst into the world of meme coins, it's important to know what you're getting into. From the ridiculous to the downright dangerous, these investments are not for the faint of heart. So buckle up and get ready for a cautionary tale of Pepe Coin. So what exactly is Pepe Coin? Pepe is a new meme coin that competes with the existing Doge meme coins. The meme coin was launched in stealth with no presale, no taxes, no elk burnt, and no contract renounced. The meme coin's mascot is Furie's Pepe, a cartoonish frog with a green humanoid body that first appeared in the 2005 Comic Boys Club. The meme went viral in the 2010s and has continued to resurface even years later. Alrighty then, let me put on my fun and quirky hat and explain Pepe Coin in a way that's as fresh as a frog in a pond. Pepe Coin is like a slimy amphibian that loves to jump into the cryptocurrency game and compete with other mimic coins like dogecoin. The coin's mascot is a funky frog named Furie's Pepe, who's been making people giggle since the 2010s. Now, Pepe Coin is not your average, serious and sophisticated crypto with a fancy roadmap and a practical utility. No way, Jose. It was created just for the laughs and maybe even a little bit of chaching. It's like going to a comedy club where the only joke is that you might make some money. But hold on to your lily pads, folks. Can Pepe Coin reach $1? Well, let's just say that's about as likely as a frog turning into a prince without a fairy godmother. The maximum supply of Pepe Coin is so high that if it ever hit that price, the market cap would be out of this world. So don't go hopping on the Pepe Coin train with dreams of becoming a millionaire. And what about 1 cent? Well, sorry to say, but it's still a bit of a stretch. The market cap would be way higher than the current crypto market cap, and that's like trying to find a needle in a haystack with your eyes closed. So maybe just stick to catching real frogs if you're looking for a thrill. Guys, the fact is, Pepe Coin is a fun and funky meme coin that's here to make you smile, and maybe even a little bit of cash. But don't get too caught up in the hype, or you might just end up with a handful of slimy disappointments. I am not saying you can't make a quick buck here and there with this meme coin, but thread carefully before you lose it all. Let me know what you think about this meme coin in the comments section. Like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I would be seeing you in the next episode.